Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. So dear friends, as a lot of questions I have received so far, and maximum are related the postponement of the examination, but don't be in that type of dilemma or confusion. So dear friends, when I was in the first semester, same thing happened with us. So we were all also in the same tensions that we will have not the examination, we are not provided with the USNs were there. So at that time they provided the USN before one day examination. Maybe that will happen with you again. So you have to stay focused on your study part, so don't be in that particular tension. So read well, and I have already make passing packages for you people. You can go through the playlist by clicking motion ali 14 on the YouTube channel. You will get the playlist directly, C cycle, P cycle, whatever the cycle you have currently over there. So as in the combination part, I have make the VTU first year 2022 all passing packages. So by clicking on it, you will get the required subjects: Python, principles of programming, and introduction to C programming. All the subjects you will acquire in this particular playlist. And at last, there is the video that how to pass semester first easily with you, best tips and tricks. So you can go through this video first, then accordingly you should go through the separate subjects, so that you will get some idea how to refer the previous year question papers, how to attempt the model question paper. So all things I have discussed in this particular video, so you can go through. Rest of the news is that you should focus on your studies, not be in the dilemma of postponement of the examination. Hope your questions are answered over here. Thank you.